So what you can also do is you can easily go ahead and generate out SEO keywords as needed inside of Qwen. So let's say, for example, I have a video content, but I don't know the keywords to optimize my search engine. In that case, to make it more searchable, I'm going to say I have a video. I have a video on how to bake cake. What may be the SEO keywords and hashtags I can use with my video? So if I were to go ahead and simply say this, then what happens is that it says when optimizing your video for search engines and social media platform, it is important to use relevant keywords. So you can see that it lists out the SEO keywords for me right here. Like it says how to bake a cake, easy cake recipe, and so forth. And it gives me the relevant hashtags right here, just like this as well. And further gives you tips on how to actually go ahead and utilize for YouTube, for Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest, long array tail keyboard localization and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and generate out SEO keyboard as needed right here in Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.